Hi there, good to see you again. We're back with another video to help you find the best products for your dog. Searching the web to find a decent product might turn out to be a tedious and back-crushing task. Not to mention all the hours you'll waste reading review after review website. We created this video to help you find the best products of the year, which will neither break your pocket nor will leave you unsatisfied. Thanks to our great judging criteria, all the products mentioned in the videos are top of the line, high quality products. So let's see them.
I don't know that I would ever not have Westie in my life. I'm not kidding. Westies are the besties. They're just all personality, and when they love you hard. It's enough. They get very excited. They see the leashes come out. They know it's that time, and it's kind of our time. When we get back home, it's time for a little brekkie, and then it's nap time. I mean, God, they have the life. We eat clean. We eat very, fresh vegetables. I just believe in a healthier lifestyle. I feel like they're getting, actual real food. I like the way that they have a variety of flavors. I like to separate the two on how I serve it because she's still puppy, so she needs to be able to, digest it a little easier, chew it a little easier. He inhales it, so I mix it with the dry food. If one leaves something behind, the other one's right there to pick it up. I think I want to give it back to him by taking care of him, giving him the best, treating him right, doing the things that I know that makes him happy, because he makes me happy. It's unconditional love. Good boy.
I believe in natural balance.
I believe in natural balance.
I believe in natural balance.
People come to us because they know they can trust natural balance to be able to create a pet food for their pet that is safe, that is good for them to eat, and that's why we exist. We are safeguarding, through the Buy with Confidence Lab, the product that Natural Balance produces and it sells in the marketplace.
I believe we put the utmost care and nutrition into the foods that we make.
Natural Balance is a product that has a lot of love put into it, from the formula makers to nutritionists to us in the customer care department.
I believe in Natural Balance because I know it's the highest quality product, and we believe they are.